Zed AI versus Cursor AI versus Windsurf. Which AI coding tool is better? I'm going to tell you which AI coding tool is better between Zed AI, Cursor AI, and Windsurf. Zed AI is clean, fast, and made for focus. Built by X-Atom devs, it's a collaborative code editor with native speed and a growing AI layer. It's not feature heavy yet, but it's smooth, distraction free, and dev first. Cursor AI is VS Code, supercharged. It's built with AI deeply embedded in your coding workflow, like code edits, explanation, and autocomplete that actually adapts. It's the go to if you want a smart assistant that feels part of your IDE, not just a plug in. Windsurf is the quiet one. It's not just about writing code, it helps you think code. Windsurf's AI guides your logic, tests assumption, and helps debug, not just finish syntax. It's better if you're solving complex problems and want help sharing the architecture. So which is better? Cursor AI wins if you want power and productivity. Zed AI is perfect for fast, minimal, and collaborative environments. Windsurf is the thoughtful tool for devs who want more than just code suggestions.